Mabuhay Pilipinas, welcome back sa isa pang vlog. Kasama ko si Halle. Today we are going to take her to Jollibee. She's going to eat Jollibee. She's never had it before. Diba, Halle?
It's my fourth time in the Philippines and I've never had it.
Wow, this is the first time ever. So I think the best thing to eat at Jollibee is the Chickenjoy. Chickenjoy. We're gonna have her eat the Chickenjoy and maybe some jelly spaghetti and burger steak.
Spaghetti, what the heck?
Yep.
I thought it was just chicken.
Nope, they have spaghetti here. Even McDonald's has mixed spaghetti. Yeah, they do. They actually do.
It's Jollibee Nitro.
Nitro! Come have a look at Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee! The Jollibee Center. Wow, it's Jollibee Nitro. There he is. Let's go, buddy. Hey, let's go. Welcome to Jollibee, Halle. Let's go, buddy. What should Halle get, Sean?
You should try the Chickenjoy.
Chickenjoy.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
The menu is so funny.
The burger. What was that? Yung burger?
Nitro?
I want to try
What?
soon.
A toy? Get Chickenjoy, Halle. Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata. Alright, Halle and Chantal, the food is here. Our Jollibee. We have jelly spaghetti, we have the burger steak, and we have the Chickenjoy and the pineapple juice. Alright, Halle, which one do you want to try first?
The spaghetti.
The spaghetti.
Wait, what is that? It's dog.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog.
You have to mix it.
You mix it up with the sauce
Or
and hot
maybe
dogs.
she can just do this. So she can taste the cheese, the sauce.
Kaloka. Alright, let's go. Here we go, guys. Halle is trying Jollibee. This is it. This is it, pancit.
Try it. I will take this.
It's so
Yes,
sweet.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, sir.
That's good.
It's pretty good, huh?
That's good.
You like the jelly
Is it
spaghetti?
sweet? Is it sour? What does it taste like?
I don't know. It's
Sweet
weird.
spaghetti.
Do you think it's cheesy?
Yeah. But the hot dog's actually good. That's a good idea.
Very nice.
I give this a 6, 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10 for the spaghetti, huh?
It's good. It's yum.
That's more than the 5.
How
Alright,
many do you give it?
next one.
10?
You give it a 10 out of 10, Sean.
Yeah.
The jelly spaghetti, you give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I love it.
Really?
It's good.
How about chicken and rice?
Your turn, Halle. Which one? What should she get next? Nitro, which one should she eat next?
That or this?
Which one?
No.
Burger steak?
I didn't want that one.
Alright, so this is the burger. This is like a steak they put on
You have to eat it
burgers.
with the rice.
You know, like,
And
Oh,
the
like a
sauce.
patty?
yep, like a burger patty.
Oh, okay.
And you have to eat it with the rice.
There we go.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Does she like it, Nitro?
It's actually good.
Wait, it's good.
It's pretty good, huh?
And this is the. I would give this an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
It's so
Oh,
yum.
that's better than the spaghetti, huh?
Yeah, it's so yum.
Alright.
Yum.
And the last, oh, she's eating more of it. There we go.
Who likes it?
Oh, which one do you like the best, Nitro?
I'll give the chicken 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100.
Good score.
So this is Nitro's favorite one here, the Chickenjoy.
Why?
Kaligayahan ng manok.
What's special about it?
It's their signature fried chicken.
Don't bite me, Italy.
Oh, hot.
It's hot?
With the rice? You're not putting it with the rice? You like it?
Interesting.
Interesting.
I hate it.
So not as good, eh? What would you rate that out of 10?
A 4.
A 4 out of 10 for the Chickenjoy.
Yeah.
But the burger steak is 8 out of 10.
Yeah,
and spaghetti is 7 out of
that's
10.
good.
Ah,
I don't know. Maybe I need more.
How about the
more
skin?
vibe.
Can you get the skin?
Just break the skin off and eat the skin to see what the skin's like. Is it better or is it the same?
This one, this part. Yeah, naturally eat it if you don't like it.
Still the same? Yeah, still the same? Alright.
Nitro can eat that.
Australian taste. Alright, well, the Chickenjoy is for you. Nitro,
Yeah,
good
chicken
news.
is for
What's
Nitro
your
because
favourite?
it's his favorite. Chicken wing, chicken wing.
And then Halle will have the burger steak and we'll have the spaghetti. Last but not the least, the yum burger.
Our famous burger.
What is that?
That is burger patty and sauce. That's all it is.
Okay.
See if it's yum. Is the yum burger yum or is it just a burger?
It's yum.
It is yum. Okay, so the yum burger is yum. Confirmed, the yum burger is yum.
Rating.
Out of 10.
It is very yum because the bread is sweet, but it's very plain. So I would give this a 7.
7.
Yeah. Or a 6.
6. Okay, so it goes Chickenjoy, yum burger, spaghetti, and the burger steak. Sa mundo ni Halle. Yan ang masarap. Hey, buddy. But for you, it's all Chickenjoy, isn't it? Yes, all Chickenjoy for you, hey, buddy. Okay, guys, kain muna kami dito. We're gonna enjoy Jollibee. Nacho's gonna play with his toy he got. Oh, building blocks. Create Jollibee. And we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye.
Swagger down the street with your red